Good morning, my little flowers. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy too. Today we learn our new alphabet, letter Q. Letter Q. Q, qua. Q, qua. What is the phonetic sound of Q? Qua. Here is some pictures. Start from the letter Q. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Here is Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, white. Q, qua, Q. Q, qua, quilt. Now we write the letter Q. Which letter we learned today? Letter Q. Now we write the letter Q. Look at here. Firstly, tell me what is the date today and what is the day today. Today is the date 5th of August 2020. And what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. And what is our subject? Subject English. And what is the topic? Lowercase letter Q. Q, qua. What is the phonetic sound of Q? Qua. What is the phonetic sound of Q? Qua. Now we write the letter Q. Look at here. Firstly, what we do? Right. Look at here. I draw 4 lines like your notebook in my page. 1, 2, 3, 4. We write the letter Q in the lowercase letter. Lowercase lines. Clear to all of you? Look at here. Now we start the letter Q. Firstly, make a standing line. Like this. Then take it back. Take it back and make a half circle in between 2 blue lines like this. Then take it again back and make a tail. Make a tail. Make a slanting line like this. This is the letter qua. Q. Qua. Q. Qua. Once again. Firstly, make a standing line like this. Then take it back and make a half circle in between 2 blue lines. And then again make a slanting line like a tail. Like this. This is the letter Q. Qua. Now we write the letter Q on our little blackboard. Look at here. I have a small blackboard. Now we start the letter Q on our small blackboard. Look at here. Firstly, make a small standing line. Take it back and make a half circle and then make a tail like this. This is letter Q. What is the phonetic sound of Q? Qua. Qua. Q. Qua. Now we do some activities with the letter Q. Look at here. I have some sand. Now we write the letter Q on this sand. Start with me. Firstly, make a standing line. Then take it back and make a half circle like this. And then came down and make a slanting line or a tail like this. This is the letter Q. Once again, make a standing line. Take it back and make a half circle like this. And then make a tail. This is the letter Q. This is our first activity. Now go to the next activity. Look at here. I have some colorful balls. Now we write the letter Q with these colorful balls on this cardboard. Look at here. Now firstly, make a standing line like this. Look at here. What I make now? A standing line. Now we make or draw a half circle. Look at here. Here is a half circle. Like this. Wow, it's ready. Now we make a tail or a slanting line. A small slanting line like this. This is the letter Q. Q, qua. Q, qua. What is the phonetic sound of Q? Qua. Now once again Q. Letter Q. Letter Q. Q, qua. Queen. Q, qua. Quill. Q, qua. Q. Q, qua. Quiet. Q, qua. Quilt. Q, qua. Quail. Yes, very nice. Now we write the letter Q in our notebook or a book. You all have books? Yes, very nice. Now we start our letter Q in our book, page number 60 and 61. Look at here. Here is the picture of quail. Q, qua, quail. Now we write the letter Q. Firstly, start from the dot, make a standing line, then take it back and make a half circle like this, and then come down and go back and make a slanting line like this. This is the letter Q. Once again, a standing line, take it back, make a half circle, come down and make a tail or a slanting line like this. This is our letter Q. Now we all do the letter Q in your book, page number 60 and 61, and do some activity on the sand and with the colorful balls or buttons. Okay then, bye to all of you. Have a nice day.